Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on one of my most requested topics, and that is how to install Minecraft on a Chromebook. Now, to get this going, you're going to need Linux beta support turned on, as well as GPU acceleration. If you don't know how to do that, I have two videos. Put a link up in the corner and down in the description. There's also one more thing you're going to need to turn on that I'll talk about in the tutorial. If you have any questions along the way, let me know down in the comment section. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into this tutorial. So here we are in Chrome OS, and again, I'm going to assume that you have Linux beta support and the GPU acceleration turned on. Now there's one more thing that we want to turn on. It's another flag. So if we just go out here and go to Chrome and then / flags, you want to turn on this pointer lock for Linux applications. If you don't, the mouse is not going to lock to the screen. So when you move the mouse to the edge of the screen, you're going to stop turning in the game and it's not going to be a good experience. So turn that on, restart your machine, and then come back for the rest of this install. All right, so that's all taken care of. Now let's download Minecraft and get her installed on our Chromebook here. So open up Chrome and go to this Minecraft alternatives download. This is on the official Minecraft site. I'll have a link down in the description. This just lets us quickly get to the version that we want to download to make this work. And that version is the Debian Ubuntu version. We want to get this minecraft.deb. So just click on that. It's a super fast download, just takes a few seconds. And now that that's downloaded, we can just click on this dialog. It brings us out to the downloads folder. And all we need to do is double click on the minecraft.deb file. Brings up this installer dialog and just click install. Now we just wait for just a few seconds. It's going to do its thing. It's getting all the dependencies. It's installing the application. And once it's done, we'll be able to launch it. So there we are, we're all complete. We can either launch it right from here, or if we go into the menu, into our Linux apps area, you can see we have Minecraft launcher here, so you can launch it either way. Let's just click on that and log in with our credentials. Now that we're logged in, we just want to go ahead and hit play. It's downloading all the files. At this point, it's just like installing Minecraft on any other machine. I just want to let it run and play a little bit of the game so you can see how well it actually works on this this Chromebook. So here we are. It is up and running. We can go in and set our options to let's go full screen. I am going to reduce the chunks just a little bit to about 10. And let's just do a new game. Just going to do a creative world and jump in there. Show you how well this runs on this Chromebook. All right, so here we are. It's a little laggy at first, but once some of the chunks load in, we're good to go. And we are in Minecraft on a Chromebook. So if you look kind of near the top, you can see how many frames we're getting right now. It's not too great. We're only at about 9. But as we move out into this open area, we'll get a few more frames. Now, just like on any other machine, you can install Optifine and kind of get a little more performance out of this, or we can go in and tweak the settings a little more. Let's go to graphics. We'll go to fast. Maybe lower down the chunks a little bit more. And turn VSync off. See if that helps at all. All right, so again, Chromebooks are not made for gaming, but with a little bit of tweaking, you can get this to run fairly well. It's not a gaming machine, but if this is all you have, you can run things like Minecraft and Roblox and some other games. If there's any games that you want to see specifically, you want me to test on this Chromebook, let me know. If it's a paid game, I may or may not do it, depending on if I own it or not. But if it's a free game, then that's totally fine. I'm happy to do it. Hopefully you found this useful and informative. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you really liked it and you want to see more, hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one.